Hello Class 8, this is Teacher Regina and today's topic is the continuation of area and volume. On the previous lesson, we discussed how to get the area of a rectangle. Now, we will discuss about the metric units of volume and capacity. Since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, if we have a cube, which is given as 1 centimeter, all the sides, because cube, it means all sides are equal. In order to get the volume, we need to multiply the three sides given. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So let us have another one. So using the millimeter in this cube, we say that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So it is the same as here if we put 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Okay, so in order to get the volume, we need to multiply also all the three sides, which is 10 millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. In other words, a 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. When we are talking about the volume, this is the equivalent. While in metric units, we have the 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So to convert from centimeter cube to millimeter cube, we need to multiply it by 1000. If we want to change the millimeter cube to centimeter cube, it means we need to divide it by 1000. Similarly, a cube of side with 1 meter, okay, has the same volume as cube of side 100 centimeter. In other words, a 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, an equivalent of 1 meter cube is equal to 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter. It is equal to 1 million centimeter cube. In other words, a 1 meter cube is equal to 1 million centimeter cube. So, if we want to convert a meter cube to centimeter cube, we need to multiply it by 1 million. And if we want to change the centimeter cube to millimeter cube, we need to divide it by 1 million. So, let us have about the capacity. Liters and milliliters are unit of liquid measure and capacity. So, a 1 ml of liquid has a volume of 1 centimeter cube. In other words, 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube, or we say 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml if we are talking about the capacity. And we all know that a 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So let us have an activity. So here in this activity, find the volume of each of the cuboid. So the formula of getting the volume of a cuboid, we need to multiply the length times width times height. Okay, so in this activity, we need to give the answer in millimeter cube and centimeter cube. So let us have the first cuboid. This cuboid, it has a height of 4 centimeter 4 centimeter the width also, and the length is equal to 10 centimeter. Since the first one, we need to get the millimeter cube, so we need to change the unit. So we need to convert. We all know that a 4 centimeter is equal to 40 millimeter. Okay, and a 10 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. So now let us get the volume using the unit of millimeter. So what we will do is to multiply the length, which is the 10, width, which is 40 now, and the height is also 40. So 40 times 40 times 100 is equal to 160,000 millimeter cube. So now what is the next step that we need to do is to get the answer in centimeter cube. We all know that if we want to change from millimeter cube to centimeter cube, what we need to do is to divide it only by 1000. So here, to make it short, to get the volume of this, so we have a 160,000 millimeter cube. So let us divide it by 1000. It will be equal to 160 centimeter cube. So we already get the answer. Next, let us have another one given. So the same thing that we need to do. So this is the cuboid. The height of the cuboid is 15 millimeter. The width is 1 centimeter. And the length is 1 centimeter. So since, again, this one, it has different units. So what we need to do, we all know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what the same thing with this? Okay. So to get the volume in millimeter cube, multiply 15 millimeter times 10 millimeter times 10 millimeter is equal to 1,500 millimeter cube. The same thing again, if we want to change it into millimeter cube to centimeter cube, we need to divide it by 1000. So what we need to do? So B is equal to 1,500 millimeter cube divided by 1000. So it is equal to 1.5 centimeter cube. Okay, next. Next activity is find the volume of each of the cuboid by giving the answer in centimeter cube and meter cube. So let us have the first cuboid. We have the 4 meter and the 4 meter and a 9 meter. Since this is given by meter, we need to get the centimeter cube. So let us convert the 4 meter into centimeter. So a 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter and a 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. So let us get the volume using this centimeter unit. 400 centimeter times 400 centimeter and times 900 centimeter is equal to 144 million centimeter cube. So now, the next step is we need to change it into meter cube. We all know that if we want to change the centimeter cube to meter cube, we need to divide it by 1 million. So let us divide it. We have the 144 million centimeter cube divided by 1 million. So the answer will be 144 meter cube. Okay. In this topic, a net is a two-dimensional shape which can be folded to create a three-dimensional object. So, example, this is an example of a cuboid which has a height of 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter and a length of 6 centimeter. So if we will open it, this will be the net of a cuboid, and the measurement of this will be like this. Okay, so now what we will do, let us get the area of a net in centimeters squared and millimeters squared. So first thing, the same net that we need to do, what we will do, if we have a net, okay, so first let us divide it, the net, into parts. Okay, so if we divide it, this big rectangular will be the A. And these two rectangular, small rectangular will be B and C. So what we are going to do is to get the volume or the area of the rectangular A. So A, what will be the length? We all know that in order to get the area, we need to length times width. Okay, so the length will be this part. So what we are going to do is to add all the sides. So this is 5. What is the measurement of this is equal to 3 centimeter. And this is 5 and this is also 3. So if we add this all side, it is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which is equal to 16. And the length will be 6. So let us see to get the area of the area A. So 6 centimeter times 16 centimeter is equal to 96 centimeters squared. Next one, B. The area of B is very easy. We have the 5 on this side and the 3 on this side. So let us multiply. 5 centimeter times 3 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeters squared. Again, we are talking about the area. So letter C is equal to 5 centimeter times 3 centimeter is equal also to 15 centimeters squared. So what you need to do on the next, you need to add all the given area. So if we add all, what will be our total area in centimeters squared is 126 centimeters squared. So if we want to change it into millimeters squared, what we need to do is to multiply it by 100. Okay, so our area in millimeters squared is 12,600 millimeters squared. Okay, next one. Find the volume in cuboid of in centimeter cube and millimeter cube. Okay, looking at this, so we get the volume in centimeter first, then get the volume into millimeter squared and millimeter cube, so we need to divide it by 1,000. Okay, so now, next one, we need to get this. After we get the volume of this cuboid, we need to change it in capacity of ml and liters. So we all know that a 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. So if we have a 90 centimeter cube, it means that is equal to 90 ml. So if we want to change it into liters, what we need to do, we all know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So it means if we have 90 ml, we just divide it by 1000 in order to get the liter. So we have the 0.09 liter. In other words, a 90 ml is equal to 0.09 liter. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope everyone is safe. Keep up the good work, class.